K Brothers, Shanbor and Young Ring, and this song is dedicated to all you. Hatong ilaban iem daka jing im kabashisur namar ladang imba kiwe yang iki iben ladang ilek persyak kiwe yang iki krenben hato yang nongin terwah yang nongin perta kasap kabangi don yang nongin peni manobon saki manobon syuti kakut shitensni kasdang nalaying kakut hashtag lenti doong kadau berok kadeka baleng kasap kasyun sam baleng ikut akcing di buan kicing ye shobliu kikut sam lajeng ikin posya so tell me what I'm gonna do namar ondon hok asla pertei berok along kapkai berok along leno namar ladang iat halenti lajong kipun babudin kipun babudong di namar kata ladang ilek persyak bersin kadau kasdang nangah dey ngahi babaklah dey ngahi bakang kelas. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna scream. So listen what I mean in the song is to let you know that we're down. Is full of shit, it is like hell to me. I'm living like a stray dog. I can't believe why people don't understand other people, even though we have the same feeling, the same red blood. I'm talking about this, the same imagination. It is a fact, believe me. I'm talking about the shit what's happening in reality. Who cares about you and me? I'm asking to all you, none.